Tonight, a Rochester immigrant legal defense group is reacting to an ICE arrest made on Sunday. It's one of more than a dozen that have taken place in the Med City so far. KIMT News 3's Evan Berg spoke with the group earlier today. Evan, what have you heard?
Ryan, the Southeastern Minnesota Interfaith Immigrant Legal Defense says with this latest incident, there have been 4 ICE arrests here in Rochester in the past month. As you can see from this footage, this latest one happened to a man who was arrested after being pulled over in his car on 14th Street Southeast near Meadow Park Apartments. Phil Wheeler, the president of Smiled, says it has become more common for ICE to arrest immigrants out of their cars or on their way to official government appointments because it does not require a warrant. He says immigrant legal advocates have been critical of the approach because it could make immigrant communities more reluctant to leave their homes or interact with local government and law enforcement.
Why should they go, right? Why should they put themselves at risk of deportation under those circumstances? Put their families at economic disadvantage, their children.
Wheeler says his nonprofit often tracks these cases to see if a detainee has a chance to avoid deportation. If they make 2 times below the poverty level and don't already have an attorney, Smile is willing to represent these cases free of charge. Back to you, Ryan.
All right, Evan, thank you very much. Now, we did reach out to ICE for comment on this case, but the agency said it cannot identify where or who a detainee is without someone giving a name and date of birth.